All right, so I got these mirrors for my motorcycle. I have a V-Star 650 Yamaha, and the mirror was just gone. And when I got it, it only had one mirror, and then the second mirror just rattled, and I definitely need another set of mirrors, and didn't want to spend too much to get the factory or OEM ones. Didn't feel a need of it. So this one I got from Amazon. It was about $12. I don't know if you see the company. It's some XYZ, a generic thing from China. Came into this box. So two right and left is supposed to be, but they both say L on them. I don't know if you can read it. It just says L. This one says L2. Here, it just says L. But all you have to do is kind of twist it around and they can become right and left without any issues. The other problem that I had when they came in, so this one just came in the, like this wrap, it wasn't on it. This mirror had it right on top of this little screw thing. And when I tried to put it on there, it wouldn't go. Well, right now it does because I fixed it, but it wouldn't go. There was something wrong with the way this was tapped. So what I had to do is I had to just kind of clamp it into my vise and got a 10mm bolt and just kind of had to push it really hard with the ratchet, and did that a couple of times, and so it's much better now. So it just goes on just fine. They look pretty good, plastic, you know, which I don't mind. They have a little weep hole in case the water gets in there, which is also a good feature. And they got these little rubber things on top, prevents water from going in. The mirror that I had originally, they're like the chrome ones. They don't have these like bevel thing. They're more like flat. But I thought about getting those similar ones, but I don't know. These are probably a little bit more aerodynamic, and I don't think it really matters. We'll see how it goes. This was on sale, so I just got them. And I'll update the review once I put them on the bike, see how they fit, how they hold up to the vibration. All right.